Hello, everybody. So, funny story, I actually already did today's CSS challenge, but what it recorded was the wrong screen. I was on a different setup, not at my usual desk, and so this is what it is. So, what is that? It's an element. This paragraph tag is a cover, and then the rest of it is this circular gradient. So what can we do to make it interesting? Let's redo that same thing. And the way I did it was with pixels on the circular gradients, and just used heights, widths, whatever to get this, and a clip path to do this. Let's do it a different way, since I'm so here's what we'll do. I don't know if I can beat that score. That was a pretty good score. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do different is I'm going to do circular gradients, radial gradients rather, and I'll use percentages only. Radiation? Why is that? Radial gradients. And we'll start with that, and let's say 20%, and let's just eyeball it to start with. And we gotta have the word circle, sure. That's kind of perfect. 40%, and then the next color. Is that right on? No. How about 35? $36. Sure. So again, I used pixels before, and now we'll do. That looks dead on as well, doesn't it? Pretty good. So let's see, 50%, and then this color. So that's already maybe a little more compact. 50, 60, no, 55, 56, 56. All right, so in the other one, I used a clip path to create this oddball shape here. I think what I'm going to do instead of that is we'll do a conic gradient. Yeah, how about a conic gradient? It is my favorite kind of gradient. So for the first one, it's going to be, actually it's going to be transparent, 75%, and I'm going to use pink, my favorite pink. And we're going to do an at 10 pixels. So there's our little nub. Let's do 40 by 50 instead, huh? And then we need to move it 60%. And that, okay, so percents don't work, right? Because I'm trying to position it and it doesn't make any sense. Because why? That is because it doesn't make sense for positioning. However, if I use pixels or another unit, then things do move over and move down. So let's do that. So 200 over. $240 over, and then that at maybe is 50, and then the height is maybe 40, and then we move it down. Sure. And instead of pink, it's that color. So that's a conic gradient, and to see what that is, right, that shows you what we've done. This very peculiar usage of the conic gradient. And we'll do another one because it's so similar. So it's going to go over a little bit further. And I'm going to again, let's do green just to make it different. Okay. And we're going to move that over. 8, 9. And then the at for that, I'll actually move it up a little bit. 110, okay. And then the height, no, the at is 6, 7, 8. And that probably does it, yeah? Yeah. Very similar gradients, very similar gradients. Now the question is, once I minify, is this a better score? It might not be. We're not going to sweat it if it's not. I'm sorry about the error with the prior submission. I don't think anybody got to see it. I deleted it from YouTube. It's the first time deleting the YouTube video, and it was, oh, okay, so that's a better score. All right, I'll take it. That's just great. No notes, other than I got to learn to use the recording software and test it next time. All right, thanks for watching.